Hey fam, it's your boy, Crispy Jim, and today we're going to be eating some extra crispy KFC. So they used to have extra crispy back in the day, then they made it only hot and spicy that you get extra crispy, then they took it away altogether, now they're relaunching it as crispy. So I don't know, I haven't looked at this, I just pulled it out of the box. I'm excited to unpackage with everyone. I also got a pout, so we got some poutine on deck. They decided to give me fries as well. I got a macaroni salad, just a little guy for my enjoyment. They gave me some ranch, did not ask for that, but I love ranch, so I'll take it. Oh, this does look nice. She looks crispy, looks pretty. Got a 4-piece. I did want to get a bucket, but then I thought, oh man, so much chicken. I'm gonna be a fatty. Probably eat it all too. Take all those fries. Get this pout out. It looks good, and it's big. I don't remember them being this large. There she is. Not a huge amount of gravy, but a lot of cheese curds. Perhaps we shall add maybe a little more gravy. Now you guys know I like to put ketchup on. Some people consider that sacrilege. And pepper. A lot of pepper. And it's got to be ghetto pepper. No fresh ground, the good stuff. I like the get pepper. Honestly. Clubhouse, cheap pepper. This is what I like on my eggs. There's a place for fresh ground pepper, don't get me wrong. I like it. I'm starving. I'm gonna just dip into this right away. I'm gonna do one purist bite and then one with some gravy. Here we go. So it could be warmer. I'm starving. They did not give me my bevy, but I did bring a water, so I've been drinking a lot less soda lately. This is good. This is spicy though. This isn't just crispy. This has some spice to it. For certain spice. I'm gonna need to take some Tums. I'm gonna try getting into this pout right away. Get all the ketchup on there. I was very, very hungry. Not eaten much today. Took the kids to this ball pit, go bananas type place. They went bananas. We had a wonderful time. Now, I worked up an appetite. Here we go. One last little view for you guys. Ooh, baby. For the American fam that's never had like cheese curds like this, they're so, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's squeaky. Like legit. I think they even call them squeakums. But you know what? This episode isn't about the pout. It's about this crispy chick. That's some high quality H2O. So my nose ring is not happy. It looks like it's falling out. It was like starting to go into my nose. No bueno. No buenos. So I definitely might need to take it out. But that's okay. Can't go wrong with this. A little spillage. MBD. Bit my lip. Ouch. This piece is actually a lot better. I will confess. Way better. It's hot. That poor little drum had been sitting. Definitely go out and get some KFC. It's time. It's been a while for me. And I feel like they're improving. A lot of bad years. This is definitely got some heat to it though. Oh, making the old head itch. That's how I know it's spicy. My head itches when it's spicy. Let's try this ranch. See what she's all about. Give me a good ranch bite here. Uh-oh, this one isn't as hot either. Get that dip for you guys. I think McDonald's got rid of their ranch here in Canada. It was like a limited time thing. Very sad. This ranch is good. It has dill in it, which is nice. It's different. But I can't say I love it. You guys can probably tell I'm really hungry. Just going to town. I've had a busy couple days. Still managed to get those vids out though. I will reply to the comments. I read them. I just am like, okay, I can't reply to one and then not the other. So I try to do it all at once. Excuse me. Let's get this macaroni salad a go. I love their mac salad. It's so deliciously ghetto. So deliciously ghetto. Let's try a little pour instead of a dip. I like it. I wish it wasn't spicy though. Like, I like it. But I've had the spicy lots. The original crispy, been forever. Over 10 years, I'd say. Which doesn't break my heart because I'm a fan of just the tradition. Original rest. Unfortunately, this chicken's seen better days. This one's a little dry. He ain't as good as he once was, but he was good once, as he ever was. Gosh, I made a mess. Whew. Shouldn't have worn all black. Let's poot it up again. This is way more poop than any one man needs. Is this just the size they come in? An obscene amount of poot. Yeah, I like it. Like I said, a little sad that it wasn't just the crispy. It was weird because I asked for that. And then he's like, oh, let me double check, make sure we have it. He's like, yeah, we do. And we laughed and we laughed. Turns out he was laughing at me. And tomorrow, I'm pretty excited because I just saw Burger King has like their angry breakfast sandwich. And I think we were just talking about Burger King breakfast sandwiches the other day. So I really want to try that. And I also heard that A&W, a breakfast sandwich croissant thing. So maybe like kind of competing with Burger King. And now Wendy's. But the Wendy's croissant one I did not enjoy. I wasn't a fan. Their biscuit's very good though. So that's tomorrow. And we still got to make it out to Arby's. Don't worry, Arby's, I'm coming. I know, I read the email, I'm coming. I'm gonna make it happen. Okay. That's it, fam. Thanks so much for joining me for this delicious, crunchy feast. And I hope you have a great weekend, but I'll see you before then. Love ya.